Hey everyone, welcome back to Not Another Watch channel. Got another quick little catalog review for you here today. This is the 25th anniversary catalog from Lange Sohne, and we're going to dive right on into it. So welcome back. Hope everyone had a great holiday season, had a great New Year's. I hope you made some great resolutions that are watch related. I'm expecting this year to be great for this channel. I really want us to grow. I want us to develop together. I've been so appreciative of all of the views you guys have given me already, and the subscribers, and just the comments and the feedback. It's been incredibly helpful. So just thank you guys. Just wanted to start the year off giving, a big thank you to everyone who's been with us from the beginning, all month ago. But thank you, and I hope the content for this year will be exactly what you guys are looking for, and if not, let me know. And now let's dive here into the 25th anniversary Lange catalog. To be completely honest with you guys, I'm just going to call it Lange for the whole video because I know I'm going to screw up the name. I don't speak German. I've looked up many of other people saying it. Everyone says it differently. So this is Lange. They're a German watch company if you don't know. But if you do know, I'm just going to say Lange. If you guys are wondering why this video looks a little differently, it's because I've had to go with a wide-angle lens because this book is, it's much longer than the other catalogs I've ever received, but I'm not going to go super in-depth into it. I just want to give you guys a little view because it's honestly one of the most stunning catalogs I've ever seen. It's a beautiful hardcover. It came in a beautiful packaged envelope. It took about a week. Here's a nice little glossary breakdown of everything that's in the book. Some nice stories about the family. Here are the 25th anniversary editions. This is why this catalog is special. They're gorgeous. That is just absolutely stunning, both of those. Here's the main collection. This is also a 25th anniversary of their main Lange 1 watch. Notice how 25th anniversary, the date on everything says 25. Some great attention to detail from these guys. Here's some moon phases. These are also beautiful. A lot of their watches have a very familiar look with the way their subdials are placed. They're just very, you see one and they're instantly recognizable. That moon phase is that the color blue on that is absolutely spectacular. Perpetual calendar. It's a pricey watch. I think this thing is something like 300 grand in that price point. There's actually in the back of the book a little catalog for the pricing of every watch, but I'm not going to throw that up into this video because I don't want to blow up their spot. I don't know if the brand will appreciate that, so I'm just going to not include that. Here's what they're calling the new era of mechanical watches, the Zeitwerk. It's jumping numerals. As you can see here, jumping numerals. That's apparently the first mechanical watch to do that, which is that's an interesting concept. This is some sort of minute repeater, I'm assuming, the striking time. That's quite a complicated watch to include jumping minute and hour hands and a minute repeater. So this definitely is going to be a pricey watch, but probably something that's also very collectible. The Saxonia. Little reading area there for you. This appears to be a little more classic of a design. It's a little simpler with the subdials. Oh, these are thin models, so I'm guessing the dressiest that they have in this category. Annual calendars. The Datograph, that's an absolutely beautiful watch. That just looks very nice. Just gonna take that out because it keeps falling out of the way. This is a beautiful watch. I love that salmony rose gold kind of color. I mentioned that in the Paddock video, but just absolutely crazy about that. The 1815. These are the tributes to the founder, Walter Lange. It's cool with the two smaller subdials. It's pretty standard chronograph there. The tourbillon. Ooh, that's a nice looking watch. That perpetual calendar, that's beautiful. Case diameter of only 32.6 millimeters. It's interesting. A height of only 9.1 millimeters. That seems like a surprisingly small watch. That's a very beautiful looking watch right there. That's the back of it has that full view of the moon phase. Well, there you have it, guys. Just a quick little walkthrough of the Lange catalog. It's their 25th anniversary this year, so you're going to see probably a lot of 25th anniversary content from them. Stay tuned. Hopefully, I'm going to be reviewing one of these watches in person this year. Still trying to figure out how to make that happen. If anyone has any ideas, let me know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll be back with another watch review fairly soon, guys. Thank you.